In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicators in NinjaTrader Web. If you've ever wanted to quickly overlay technical tools like moving averages or momentum gauges on your chart, this is the fastest way to do it. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. With your chart open in NinjaTrader Web, look toward the top left area of the chart window. You'll see a small row of icons grouped together. These are your quick access tools for common chart actions. Move your mouse over those icons slowly without clicking. As you hover, each icon will reveal a short label that tells you what it does. Keep hovering until you find the one labeled Indicators. It may look slightly different depending on your theme or screen size, but the tooltip will clearly say Indicators. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. Clicking the Indicators icon opens a panel or menu with a list of available indicators. This is where you choose what you want to add to your chart. You'll usually see a range of familiar names, from trend-following tools to oscillators and volatility measures. If you're just getting started, it can help to pick something you already recognize, like a moving average, to see how it plots. When you find the indicator you want, simply select it. That's it. Your chosen indicator will appear directly on your chart, either overlaid on price or in its own panel below, depending on the type. If the list feels long, don't worry. Take a moment to scan through at your own pace. The names are standardized, so once you learn a few favorites, you'll be able to find them quickly every time. If an indicator appears and you decide it's not what you needed, you can always back out and choose another one. The key point here is that you only need to locate the indicator's icon, click it, and then select the indicator you want to add. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see the icon, make sure your chart area is active and not collapsed, and try hovering carefully so the label pop-ups have time to appear. On smaller screens, icons can sit closer together, so moving the mouse slowly helps you catch the right one. And that's all there is to it. Look to the top left, hover to find the indicator's icon, click it, select your indicator, and you're done. Practice it a couple of times and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your charts with the indicators that fit your trading style.